just started doing some woodworking recently and got a lot of different designs. I figured I'd do a little video and take you through how I make one of my designs. I'm going to show you the Syracuse S, how I handle that. So that's our finished product. First thing I do, I've got my blank canvas here and I got my S stencil. I'm going to go ahead and get this marked out on my piece of wood here. There's about 4 or 5 steps to this. We'll get this marked out first. Okay, almost done, not quite there. Make sure everything's good. Right, so see, we got the stencil marked out. What we're going to do first is take this to the table saw. I've got my fence all set here. We're going to rip this piece off so it makes it easier once we get to the downstairs to the scroll saw. So let's get this set up. Let's get some safety equipment on first. We don't want any lose an eye or anything like that. Got the S cut there. What we're going to do now is we're going to just chop this little piece off at the end. Again, make it a little simpler instead of doing this on the scroll. So I'm just going to readjust my fence. Looks about right. Okay, now that I've got that cut, we're going to take this down to the scroll saw, and that's where the real fun begins. Okay, so we've got the S all set up. What we're going to do is take it now to the scroll saw, get it all cut up, and then go from there. Okay, now we've got it all cut out. Next step is we're going to give it a little sanding, make it nice and smooth, get it ready for the paint. Alright, we've got it smoothed out, so it's all set and ready to be painted, and we'll have a finished product. Take it back upstairs and do the paint. Okay, we're back outside here, or at least with some fresh air. We got the spray paint, we got the S ready to be painted up, and we'll get going on that. And there we go, there's the finished product. So thanks for watching this video. Don't forget, everything I make is available for sale. Check it out on Facebook, I Cut Wood, or Instagram at I Cut Wood. Thanks a lot.